today we are going to be doing the slime challenge. So apparently this is fart noise putty. And it makes fart noises, I guess. Weird. Oops. No, I broke it. Just kidding. Open this up. Oh, it looks fun. Oh, it feels so weird. I got another one and I'm gonna mix them. See how big this gets too. Come on, buddy. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, they're different colored. I gotta pee. I gotta pee. Why is everyone laughing at me? I gotta pee. I gotta pee. Why is everyone laughing at me? Oh, whoa. It feels so weird. This toy is fun. Oh, and I forgot to say this is a toy review. It looks so cool like this. I'm gonna do some. Let's see if it sticks to the ceiling. Does it stick? Oh, thank goodness it doesn't stick. What about the wall? No. Oh. What about to my face? Ew. Oh. I'm gonna do this for a second. I want to show you what it is too. So you go like that. That's what that thing's about too. But this is cool. So let's see what we can do with this. Is it cuttable? Let's see. As you can tell, it might not be because it's bouncy, bouncy. But what if I do this? Totally cuttable. Look at that. Oh, that looks so cool. All right, I'm gonna do it behind my back, and then you'll see what happens. I'm a villager. Huh. Oh, I'll trade you. Wait. I'll get an emerald and I'll trade you 5 diamonds. Everyone knows I'm not. What should I do? All right, so.
No, don't hit that.
All right, I'm gonna do a farting noise and see if this actually works. That sounded weird. Come on, get in there. It's going. It's going. Oh my gosh, this sounds like my mom's farts. Just kidding. It sounds like my dad's farts. Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Now flush. Alright. So let's do it. I don't need that anymore. Will this stick to my hair if I... I'm not animating this. I'm pushing it down as hard as I can. Oh no. Is there any? No, I just made it sticky. Well, I give this toy a 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. That's all I wanted to do today. Bye-bye. Subscribe to my channel. I forgot. That's why my mom didn't. hang on. Oh, and don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you can see it, but I'm just a starter. Bye-bye!